Alright, welcome to Top Trading Edge, folks. Today is 22nd Tuesday night. Let's take a look and see what market look like. So as you can see here, same thing in this horizontal box. Market is green, red, green, red, green, red, green, right? Look at that pattern. See that? That's what market is doing. So it's alright. So look at the conditions are still bullish here. MACD trying to give in up a little bit here. Alright, but that's okay. Still bulls are in control. We're gonna look into smaller time frame, 4-hour charts. MACD filling up the gas, continue squeeze, looking bullish. So look like still this support we didn't even test this and bounce. Alright, so market is still bullish, right? On a 4-hour charts. Okay, 1-hour charts. 1-hour charts, bears are giving up. MACD trying to bullish, squeeze light, volume coming in, light under the tunnel means sideway. So bullish, bearish, like that, going on sideway. All right. So 1-hour chart also telling me there is no weakness, there is no strength. All right, that's how it is 1 hour. That's why oscillator 0 also here, and nothing happening here, right? You can see that nothing happening. But that's 1-hour chart. We're gonna look into 30-minute charts. 30-minute chart is telling me that we created the bullish divergence. We bounced today and we went up there, right? And now oscillator 0, back to 0 territory. So what does it mean? Now we need to look into little bit in a little bit. Let me go 10-minute. Okay. So see this window, folks. Okay, so today market flipped this, right? You see this market today flipped. We were in the bear territory. We were going lower right here. We were going low right here, right? And flip because of bullish divergence. And once we flip this, folks, this look. So this is what market did today. Look at that, how they did. This is 10-minute charts. We went up. Sorry, we tried to poke through. We pull back. We poke through again. And then we retest, and then we went up, right? This is where the entries are, right, on this green candle. So look at that, boom, 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 right? Something like that. You need a breakout. You don't need to go first. You want market maker to go first. So this is where you need to keep it in mind. This bear territory, remember I said bear territory. Once we flip that, we're gonna go higher. So look at that. Once we go higher, I don't need to go and look for buy the put. So folks, so easy today was trading, right? It was so easy to trade, folks. You just need to remember that what market is doing, what cycles are we doing. You can stay in the bull side when you are trading here. You can easily print money, right? This is 10-minute chart, but just to give you idea, right? Because this territory now we poke through, and that is the bullish side. Same thing now. Where are we now? Sloping resistance here. We gotta look, folks. If you want to be bullish now, we gotta be very careful now. Tomorrow, okay? Tomorrow this area we got to be careful, because if we could have a rejection here, then all these bulls, you see this 1, 2, 3, 4 days bulls could get trapped, and these people can come back here. We don't know what they're gonna do, right? But just to give you idea. So if I want to go long tomorrow, okay, so then we got to be very careful here, folks. Okay, very, very careful here. Same thing, could have rejection and trap all these bull. Why? Because look, every time come rejection goes rejection, right? So let's see whatever tomorrow they do. This 585 area, folks. Okay, if this poke through, then the next target would be around here, bullish side right here. If we get a rejection here, tomorrow is Wednesday, right? We could go all the way Wednesday, and 3 o'clock they can trap all these bulls and come back to here. That if they would do it, never know, right? So we'll see whether they're gonna go higher, or they're gonna go in rejection and trap all the bulls. That's what we're gonna find out. Keep this area in your mind for tomorrow. All right, let's see what happens. So for here, tighter range, very, very tight range. From here to here is tighter, from here to here is tighter, very, very tight. But at least this is decent, easy to go up once we poke through. So this area we gonna keep in mind. But if it is a bearish, look at this. This is still we are at the below sloping resistance, and rejection comes, I would love to go short side, folks. This is a great one. If that happens, this could print money, just like how today we went up here. Same thing, because once we cross this is bullish, right? Same thing, once we break this is bearish. So we got to keep this thing in mind tomorrow. If we are playing here, or market will be playing here, or market will be playing here. We do not know the gap up and go or gap down go, wherever they could open, right? And we'll see, because we are at the resistance area. All right. So, and look at the time oscillator is 0 2. Okay. So let's see, most likely, because we are a resistance still we got the resistance bunch over. Whenever the market has a resistance, means it could be a trap, bull trap. Okay. That's how I look into SPY. Now remember yesterday, folks, we discussed about the QQQ. I say QQQ is the bullish, and look at that, QQQ today shoot up from here to all the way to, folks. Look at that, beautiful, right? Isn't it amazing? Like, you know, just like how market maker knows us, we know what they are doing. Look at that. Okay, so now we are in a bullish side right here. QQQ looking little bullish right here. Still we did not test the target yet, 498 right here. We didn't test the target yet. Okay, so still bulls are in control, and this is your support line. Now this will act as a support. If this breaks down, then we could go lower. Until then, it looks like acting as a support. So tomorrow, keep this thing in mind. QQQ looking nice, not bad. Just a second. Yeah, man, QQQ is still looking bullish. Okay, so we'll see whatever happens, but QQQ looks the bullish. All right, these are the area for tomorrow. This is 30-minute chart. Look for the area tomorrow to go long and short side wherever the market is. These, I hope people understand these areas, folks. Okay, how these important areas are, man. These are valuable areas. All right, then IWM was bearish right there. So we are back to 220 right there, folks. Remember yesterday we were here and I said still we have a weakness. Remember, even though oversold, and I say, hey, there's a oversold, but there's a weakness. Look at that, man. See, technical cannot lie, man. Look at this. All right, and now we are creating. So IWM could flip. IWM wants to go to 223. All right, they try to flip this to go north. All right, let's see how much it goes. It bounce. Okay, so there's a bullish divergence IWM. So IWM would be better than the QQQ, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow probably, but look like this is bullish divergence. Look at that, trying to cross. All right, and now we are going above, so heading to 23, right? Probably turning little bullish on IWM. Okay, this area, keep it in mind tomorrow. Look like I like IWM easy money here from here to here. Tomorrow, if you see this area to 20 bounce, this is nice and bullish, little bit bullish because of the divergence. Not crazy bullish, just because of divergence. Okay, so that's your IWM, folks. Okay, now we're gonna look into Bitcoin. Bitcoin had a slight weakness. Remember yesterday? Let's see what happened. Wow, folks, what did I tell you yesterday? That we have a slight weakness, which is 66. We did test. Okay, so now bulls are giving up, folks, right here. MACD is still hanging in, but not super bearish. Okay, this is not the bearish. We're just testing here, this area here. Okay, so let's see what happens here, because this is divergent and we are testing that demand area. So nothing, no more action yet. Once we flip 66.48, folks, they looking little bearish. Okay, looking little bearish. That's what I would tell you on the Bitcoin. Slight bearish, nothing crazy. All right, so there's your Bitcoin. Somebody asked me about the Josh. Can you take a look at the M&M, triple M? So triple M is, look at the divergent. That's okay. This is 1 hour chart. This is 1 day chart. Earning was great right here. Not bad. Earnings are good. All right. So what we need to do is, this is what you need to keep it in mind tomorrow, folks. Okay. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, whenever would be. there is this area you need to watch. This is your entry zone, means bullish. When? If reversal. Okay, reversal, this is your support, and it can bounce. These are support area, folks. Okay, conditions are bullish, so this might bounce from here, right, and then could go higher a little bit. That's what I would think. Maybe next week, because right now people have calls and puts, whatever it is, so a lot of people buy the calls, so they're gonna wash them out and then they take it up. Probably Thursday take it up a little bit, and then Friday little down, and then Monday take it up, and that's how I see. But always, folks, remember, instead of trading options, always prefer to have a stock, so time is not against you. Remember that, right? You always need to have enough time, because market maker play dirty game, right? But yeah, this is nice, and it MACD filling up the gas look to me. No volume here, so is continue. This is bull, could be a bullish bounce coming in, folks. Okay, do your due diligence before you enter into any of your trade, folks. Okay, that's the disclaimer. But I like for the long side, because this is, look, this is how I read. I'll explain you. Look at that. In July, September, this price we were here July. You are getting the price of July here. So how much market the IWM moves? Look, and you getting in one day that break, they take it down in one day. So this support reversal could be a good entry zone. Okay, they are right now, a lot of people bought a calls and puts. Well, mostly people buy call. That's why they're taking tolls, because they can see that how many people bought the call, right? That's why this is down. All right, so M&M bullish looking. All right, then we're gonna look into the tomorrow, folks, Tesla. All right, so let's look into Tesla. What markets are doing is, folks, nothing, right? You see this going down, and now green candle, red green, red green, red green, nothing, folks. Okay, super bearish. Tesla still bear. Bears are there. We are below cloud now. MACD entering into bear territory. This is horrible for Tesla. Our target is here, man. Tesla looking great for short side. All right, why? Because now price actions are below 100. Look, we test 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days market test the 100, and then today we broke down 100 SMA. So that means we have market might, Tesla might go and test the 200 SMA. Remember, folks, what I said today. Okay, that Tesla wants to go and test this one, 200, right there. That's your flat horizontal support, and that could create a nice and M pattern also. Tesla is, folks, Tesla is, this is the neckline, so this is not done. They could go take it lower than that also later. This is because the election coming in, and Elon Musk is trying to offer everybody $1 million, right, for whatever the things he's doing, but that's not good. So if Trump, depends on whatever happens, folks. Okay, and that's not the way to buy the votes, folks. Okay, so in this case, let's see whatever it happens. But I think Tesla not looking good right now. Okay, so this is the support target. The first target is right here. That's your neckline. That's where it's going, Tesla, and then probably eventually we could go here, this area. I will be not surprised that could happen also. All right, so that's your Tesla looking. Apple. Let's look at Apple. Apple looking great and bullish, man. Apple is like bullish. All right, so holding at the top, right, test, Apple is looking bullish, MACD bullish, squeeze bullish, volume bullish, color, everything looking bullish. So, but I don't like to go up at the top area, so I would leave it alone on Apple. Everything looking bullish, but I would leave it alone. What we mentioned about the Microsoft, folks. Remember what I told you? Look at the Microsoft. So let's go back to here. Microsoft. So what did I like here? Microsoft is right there. Just a second. So target was, remember, folks, I said right yesterday that 428, 429, and look at where market got a rejection right there. We test Microsoft, right? So look at that flip. If anybody traded here, Microsoft, folks, that was amazing trade. When these big mega cap good company, when they bounce, they go fast, folks. Okay, DJ can play music with that. All right, so now we are at the supply area, folks. Okay, that's okay. Now we need to wait here, folks. Okay, if they're gonna pull back here, then is a good entry to go long side, folks. Okay, so Microsoft is nice, pullback, rebounds is bullish. Okay, that's how I read here now. Okay, that's Microsoft. Then let's take a look at the Meta. Alright, so remember, folks, what I say, Meta looking little bullish to go and test this resistance now because of the divergence created. Look at that. Small bullish. Remember I said smaller bullish yesterday? Look what happened. Right, bullish. See that? Divergent, and that's why we hit the supply area. So now this could be a good short if rejection, but most likely we're not gonna have a most likely. Okay, folks, you never know. If now is a critical, this is where important part plays. Tomorrow they might spend time here, up, down, up, down, up, down, and then something could happen. They might make you bullish. We'll see, find out, because market in a bull territory, and if this flip, they could go higher. Okay, if this got a rejection, then we could go lower. All right, so this is the area where you don't want to go first. You want market maker to decide, because this is Wednesday tomorrow, and Thursday would be a trap day. Right, so let's see what happens. If they poke through and then retest and bounce, then it's bullish. Otherwise, just poke through. I don't like to go long that way. That's not how we go long, right? So anything in this area, rejection comes tomorrow and want to go lower, then they could test the cloud also. So this is how Meta need to play like, because we are in the middle. Okay, so I would, in this scenario, let the market maker play. Meta, then we need to look into, what is it? Apple, Meta, Google. We did not look, folks. Okay, Google had some action today. Let me get rid of this. So Google, Google is trying to bounce. Look at that, bounce, but we had a sloping resistance. Google has. We have a resistance. Yeah, be careful, folks. Okay, Google, be careful. Trying to bounce here, trying to go, but we got tons of supply area here. This area. So if this get a rejection here, it could go. It could be a good shot to go a little down. But right now, sloping support created. Look at that. They are looking bullish little bit. These wedges. So maybe here something gonna happen here. We could have a rejection and we could go lower, or could break upward and we could go higher. So by Friday something gonna happen here. By Friday, 1, 2, 3 days, 1, 2, and 3, 4 days you can give. Few days you got to give, folks. Okay, something gonna happen here. That is the time to play. Right now, slowly going upward, slowly going upward. So like going up, then pulling back, then going up, pulling back, like that they will be doing. So I don't like this, like to buy at the top. It's far better to buy it at the bottom around here to go long. All right, so look for that. So Google is no go right now. They might go a little higher. That's what it look like, Google. Okay. Somebody mentioned something. Is a, yeah, sorry, I'm reading your messages. Josh, is it okay if we share trade taken swing and earning video so we all learn and benefit? You can share your trade, that's okay. You can post it in the group, that's fine. But remember, folks, we all have only few people are there in this group. There is nobody is interested in anything, man. They just want to go and speculate. That's what I feel like. On a day trading. People like day trading, man. Or maybe people are not aware of it. I don't know. I applied advanced divergent class in education. Is so important. Education is very, very important. That's what I tell everybody. Earning on 3M is good. Okay to buy stocks. Where for me, I don't buy like that. on a 3M because there's so many other stocks are available which are far better than 3M. Right, but yeah, right now if you've been trading 3M and you think it's good, then it's up to you, because you have to also look at the not only technical, you need to look at the financial fundamental, right? Whatever I teach you in the financial fundamental, apply that, check that, see what financial fundamental look like, right? And look into that. But M&M, yeah, it's bullish, man. This is bullish. It's just, this is a gift. Whatever I told you, that's what it looks to me here. Not bad. Okay, doesn't bad. But I do not like to chase anything. Even if they want to go 1 year, 2 years, I would not mind waiting for something to pull. But every stock has a cycle, folks. Right? Market gives you tons of opportunity. So that's how I do. So apply your building the wealth class. Right? I teach a lot. You got to, you don't want to just buy anytime whenever your wishes are. You don't want to buy the top. You want to buy it at the crazy pullback. All right, that we will. All right, let's stick to the class what we are right now. I mean, stick to the swing one right now. So over in this scenario, in this scenario, we just need to one second. Alrighty. So let's see, whatever it happens here, we'll update you here. This is M&M and M&M. Let me see any other earning coming in. Tomorrow Wednesday, right? IBM, we already looked into it. Sand. Let's look at the sand. What sand look like? Look at the sand, folks. This is nice looking. Wow, man, this is amazing looking. This. Wow, 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 wow. Look at that. Market trying to poke through. Look at the supply we are trying to poke through, folks. I love this one, folks. Okay, beautiful setup. Sand could. This is the gold, right? This is wants to go higher. Oh, am I looking at the right one? Am I looking at the right one? 7th November. No, this is the wrong one, folks. But I like this SAND sand. Which one is this then? Sands. All right, let me see. So SANDS sands. Which LVS? Sand is nothing but LVS. All right, folks. So they have earning tomorrow, LVS. Okay, so LVS looking little weak. Condition is bullish, right? We had a nice run up here. 53 resistance right there. I mean, it's a bullish, but look at the way that these things are, like gap up and go. Whenever like this happens, there is a pullback coming in. That's what I would think, because of the MACD condition is bullish. So risk is involved here, folks. Okay, there's a risk. You know why? Because it's super overbought here, right here. Okay, and that's why they're validating here. And if they want to pull back, it's healthy if they pull back. But condition is so much bullish here. No squeeze. I can't trust this. Yeah, we already had the run up. If we already had a run up, if they want to bounce, they could bounce to $55. Okay, but there's no safety here. That is the only problem, because 200 SMA is resistance here, and we are below. Look at the 15,200. So this is eventually it's gonna pull here, and then we'll go whatever they will game plan do right now. Okay, but looking condition, look at these conditions are so much bullish, far from the cloud, right? So we need, let's see how much you're gonna pull back here, hold in here, and then gonna go higher. Still bulls are there. If I don't find interesting, no, but I like the okay, what else we're gonna look into it? Coke. Man, horrible, not looking great, folks. Look at this Coke, man. This could be a good shot. Coke is a good shot. Look at this. Oh man, it could be a bull flag or what? No. All right, so Coke looking weak, folks. Okay, Coke bulls are giving up. Coke wants to go lower, but Coke always beats the earning. Remember, the Coke always beats the earning. Look at that. Every time they beat the earning, folks. So whenever they beat earning, Coke little go lift up. Okay. So this is your support little bit area to watch. Conditions are bearish. If they bounce, little bounce, but all these SMAs are little bullish. Coke is like, you know, their balance sheet is good. They give the dividend. So for the bounce, great. If it is bounce here, which is looking like if you want to bounce, but conditions are not great, so I would just leave it alone, make it in a bear territory. So I don't like to go long side. I need safety. I don't see a safety here. Even though all the earnings are green, you know, they could pull back also. So there's a 50-50 chance here to play. So I would risk is involved here. Okay. You need to mention if anything you come across right now. Okay. Otherwise, if I come across, I'll let you know. Didn't get a time to find more stocks, but I'll keep it in eye. If anything I come across, I'll let you know. I didn't even get time. Whole after market close, I was busy too. But yeah, this Coke is good. You can Coke is not good, folks, so keep it on sideways. Okay. If anything you have a list in your thing, you can tell me. Tomorrow we'll look into it. Okay, because Friday coming, so tomorrow we can look into evening time, and then Thursday, Friday we can play, because that's the time something could happen. All right, let's see what happened after Wednesday. Okay, Tesla earning, Lam Research. Lam is we already look. Lam is always semiconductor. Look at that bullishness, man. Look at that Lam. This is solid. This company, oh no, this is different. I'm looking at the different one. LRCX. Lam Research right here. Yeah. So, wow, man, this is bearish, folks. Wow, they keep testing the support here. And now bears are giving up. Folks, this could. Okay, so the stock got split now. That's why 10:1. All right, so what happened here is this is support area. Bears are giving up, and this could bounce here because get a support. So we create a diversion. Man, this is a good buy, folks. Here, right here, Lam Research. This could reverse probably. Okay, this could reverse. Little bounce coming. All right, and Lam Research. Yeah, this could bounce here from here. This is a good support. Look, 1, 2, 3, and now the bears are giving up. Okay, so this is the entry zone. All right, I like LRCX because of the bears are giving up. That's why. All right, let's call it a day, folks. If anything, you guys let me know. Post it in the group. All right, see you guys tomorrow morning 9:30. Then take care. Bye.